girl came back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by title, I'm going to be unboxing some hair that I received from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. It's a long name. But yeah, before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And if you're here watching my videos, thank you for the support. Support me even more by subscribing. Thank you. So this hair company actually reached out to me on Instagram. I just want to say thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. She mentioned that, you know, she saw in one of my videos that I was looking for hair to make a wig for my everyday work wig. So she wanted to send me 3 bundles of hair and a closure. So I really appreciate that. And I hope I can do this unboxing some justice. So let's get right into it. I'm going to hide the package off camera because the address is on both sides and I don't want to expose her address as well as mine. So it's pretty packaging if you guys can't tell. Did I do that? I'm gonna have to black that out. But it's very pretty packaging. So we are going to open it up. Oh, this is nice. I love when companies put all their stuff on the box. Focus, focus, focus. There it is. There it is. Raw hair delivery. Luxury raw hair extensions and wigs. This is a present. Hair for me is a present. Oh, so excited. Thank you again for choosing me. Smells good. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. Ooh, I got lashes. Y'all know I love some lashes. Sorry, I don't mean to be distracted. These are nice. They're nice and long. So thank you for that. Okay, so she sent me 3 bundles of 16-inch Cambodian wavy. So it feels soft. There are, if you guys can actually see, a decent amount of little flyaways. I'll really see what it looks like once I co-wash the hair. So, you know, definitely stay tuned for that update. I did notice something that I do have to let you guys know about because, you know, on my channel here is all about transparency. Also, I forgot to mention that I did not pay for this hair. They did send me this hair for free. I'm not being paid for the video, but they did ask me to do a review on the hair for them. So just so that we have that out there. One thing I did notice is that the twist ties do have some stains on them. I'll know better once I co-wash the hair, but so far it's really soft. I do see some flyaways. Once I wear the hair, once I make the wig out of the hair and start wearing the hair, you guys will know, you know, if the flyaways really make a difference. I can overlook everything else once the hair feels the way it's supposed to feel, and it feels the way it's supposed to feel. So that is a good thing. Well, it's still gonna be exciting. I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3 bundles though. 3 bundles, I mean, it's a lot of hair. I don't know how many ounces though the bundles actually weigh. I am going to find that information and put it up here. I'm going to double check it on her website. Oh, the closure. It's a 5x5 closure. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you again. No, the bundles and the closure does not match. This is like a brown, and these are like a black. Ish. Yeah, some of them are darker, some of them are lighter, which is something that you would tend to find when you're dealing with raw hair. What is this? Ooh. Okay, I got a super matte lipstick with it. Thank you. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh. Now this is hot. This is hot. I will definitely be rocking that. Yeah, that's pretty. Thank you. And what else do we have in here? So they have their website information, the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. It also has a coupon code that you can use for your next order. Love20 for 20% off. of your next order. So if you guys want to check them out, I will be coming to you guys once I've made the wig and have worn it to let you guys know how the hair holds up. But it's definitely soft. So I can look past, like I said, I can look past the color that's on the twist tie. I can look past the flyaways because this hair is just giving me, it's giving me good vibes. It's yeah, it is definitely giving me good vibes. Like, you guys know my initial impression sometimes can change. If I'm not mistaken, I believe her slogan says, you know, like the softest hair in like the UK or London or wherever it's at. Don't quote me, I'm going to put the information up here, but I remember once she reached out to me, I went on her website and I checked it out, and she did mention that she has the softest hair based on where she's based at. So I can see that being very much possible. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So I am going to co-wash it, let it dry, and then once it's dry, because your girl is home for a bit, you guys know what's going on everywhere in the world, I got time to make this wig. So I'm going to make the wig. Maybe I'll color it, because typically my work wig, I don't really like to leave it like dark or black. I like to put like some highlights and stuff in there. So that would also give you guys an idea of how the hair itself actually holds up, because typically I damage hair. And if this hair can withstand what I'm going to do to it, then, you know, we'll know that the hair is good. So I will definitely keep you guys posted. I may even make a video on me coloring the hair, so you guys can see what that process looks like for my work wig. But I'm excited. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. And it feels good. Most important. And I don't see any like I don't see anything that would make me think this is anything other than what it's been advertised to be. So far so good. Like I said, I'm going to keep you guys posted. Oh, there's another card in here. I forgot about that. Sometimes hair distracts me. So it has now at pontoon docks. I don't know what that is. And then it also has, you know, what else they offer on here. So it says handmade wigs, hand coloring service, raw hair bundles. Just letting you know all the things that she's offering. You know, I love it when I can make a wig out of something. I appreciate that, because your girl is not in the business of wearing her natural hair out. So I really appreciate you offering me hair, as well as offering me a closure, because if you watch my channel, like, my natural hair is like never out. Like, that's not what I'm about here on my channel. Like, your girl doesn't like combing her hair, especially after I told you guys about my horror story. But that's not what this video is about. But stay tuned for, you know, me making this wig, coloring this wig, and giving you guys an update on the hair. But that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.